Virat Kohli, captain, right-hand middle order batsman, right-arm quick bowler, and my favorite cricketer is Herschel Gill.
Delhi. 11 matches with an average of 45. Full toss. And India's captain pummels that away for 4. That's a gift from captain to captain. Well, take a look at this. Give himself room, inside out over cover. There is a man back there, but it doesn't matter. It goes all the way. And he's looking for more. Jacobs. Clean as a whistle, is it? Well, he got most of it.
बार बल्लेबाजी करने उतरे युवराज सिंह। पूर्व क्रिकेटर योगराज के बेटे युवराज की टीम में एंट्री मैच फिक्सिंग स्कैम में टीम से बाहर होने वाले खिलाड़ियों की वजह से हुई थी। पहले कांबली और फिर रॉबिन सिंह के साथ युवराज ने पारी संभाल ली।
That's a tremendous shot. No messing around there. Shot and hammered away. The 100 coming up point here.
Well, I don't think Ian Harvey is quick enough to be bouncing anybody on this pitch. Looks an absolute beauty of a pitch. He looked as if he was trying to dig one in at the youngster.
That's driven and he's found the gap here. He won't get a boundary. And in fact he will.
Rohit Sharma made his debut in the last match, did not bat, so first international runs for him. He's bowled him.
And stand on over. He is an attacking batsman, Dhoni. The only way he can play is go after the bowling. Can be a touch risky.
Well, there's a fair bit of that going as well. That's a fabulous shot. God, John, I didn't think he got most of that, but he did.